Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn practice set number 3.2 of class 10th algebra. So the question number 1 is given. Write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. AP means arithmetic progress. Already the first one is given 1, 8, 15 and 22. Here A means the first term. So our value of A will be 1 and T1 value is what? What is the first term is given? 1. Second term is given 8 and the third term is given 20. Third term is given 15. Now as per the given table we have to put the values and find the value. T2 minus T1. T2 value is what? 8 minus T1 value is 1. So 8 minus 1 we get 7. Next is given T3 minus T2. T3 value is given 15. T2 value is given 8. 15 minus 8 we get 7. So your difference is constant. So D is equal to 7. Okay. The second one is given 3, 6, 9, 12 are in the AP. So your T1 value is 3. T2 value is given 6. The third term is given 9. The fourth term is given 12. Now again T2 minus T1 is given. So T2 value is 6 minus 3. Directly only one bracket is given. 6 minus 3 we get 3. T3 minus T2. T3 value is 9. T2 value is 6. 9 minus 6 we get 3. So here common difference we got 3. Third one is given minus 3, minus 8, minus 13, minus 18. So if you see the table, term 3 is given first. Term 3's value is given minus 13. Second term is given minus 8. The term fourth is given minus 18. The first term is given minus 3. So here they have confused. First they have given the table of T3. Okay, see the proper terms and write the values. Now T2 minus T1. T2 value is minus 8 minus 3. So here we get minus 8 minus 3. So minus plus 3 became 8 minus 3 we get 5. The 8 is the bigger number, so minus 5. T3 minus T2. T3 value is minus 13 minus T2 value is minus 8. So again the minus plus. So 13 minus 8 we get how much? Minus 5. So the A value, what is the A value? The first term is called the value of A. So value of A is minus 3. And the D, the constant difference we got minus 5. Now the fourth one is given 70, 60, 50, 40. So the first term is given 70, second term is given 60 and the third term is given 50. So directly here we have to write A key value is the first term, that is 70. And the D how we get? T2 minus T1. So T2 value is 60 minus 70. We get minus 10. Okay, understood? Now this was like activity. Now question number 2. Decide whether the following sequence is in AP. If so, then find the 20th term of the progression. We have to find that the given sequence is in the AP. If they are in AP, here what we have to find the 20th term. What is the value of the 20th term? T20 we have to find. First of all, we write a T1 value is minus 12, T2 is minus 5. This way we goes on writing. Now to find the value of D, what we do? T2 minus T1. So T2 is minus 5, minus T1 is minus 12. So minus plus. So 12 minus 5 we get 7. Same way we will find at least 2 to 3 only. If the difference is constant, then we can say what? The sequence are in AP. The common difference which is constant, D equal to 7 is given, therefore the given sequence is an AP. Now it is told after we are getting the AP, here we have to find what? 20 terms. We have to put the general formula. So general formula what we have? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So A value we have minus 12, D value we have 7 and then n, the term which one we have to find? 20th. Put the formula and substitute the value of n, A and D. So 20 minus 1 we get 19 into 7. 19 7 is how much? 133. So minus 12 plus 133 we get here 121. Therefore the T20 value is 121. Okay, write the final answer. The 20th term of the progression is 121. Understood? Now let's start with the third one. The third one is given. Give arithmetic progression. Given arithmetic progressions 12, 16, 20, 24. Find the 24th term of this progression. So it is given already that it is arithmetic progression. Means the difference will be constant. So here we need to find only one distance. So here, but then to I have done two sums to find a distance. So here common difference which is constant is d equal to 4. So here again we have to find the what? The 24th term. The a value is 12. D value is what the difference we got 4 and the 24th term we have to find means n key value is 24. Put the formula, substitute the value. 24 minus 1 we get 23. 23 into 4 92. And 92 plus 12 we get 104. Therefore the 24th term of an AP is 104. Understood? Now the question number 4. The question number 4 is given. Find the 19th term of the following AP. The sequence are given 7, 13, 19 and 25. So here again we will find the what? Difference. The difference we get what? 6. I told you to solve two sum at least to get the difference D. The common difference which is constant D equal to 6. So we have the value of A is 7, common difference is 6, and here we have to find a 19th term and value is 19. Again put the formula, substitute the value. 19 minus 1 we get 18, 6 how much? 108. 108 plus 7 we get 115. Therefore the 19th term of an AP is 115. Understood? Now question number 5. Find the 27th term of the following AP. Same way we have to solve this sum. We have to need to find the difference. Then we have to write the common difference is constant. We got minus 5. Then after getting common difference, the A value is 9, D is minus 5. And the 27th term we have to find. It means n value is 27. Substitute the value in the formula. 27 minus 1 we get 26 multiplied by minus 5. 26 multiplied by 5 we get minus 130. So 130 minus 9 we get minus 121 because 130 is bigger number and it have the minus sign. Therefore term 27 value is minus 121. I hope you have understood. Till here I have explained the question number 5. Question number 6 to 10 I will explain in my next video. Okay. Thank you.